Welcome back, Solid Rock Entertainment. As I told you, we have more in the magazine to clip up and you understand, don't trip up. So here we go with another tune. This is a tune that I like. I think it came out last year and is Sean Paul, Gwen Stefani and Shenseea on his album Scorcher. No Departure. And here we go. In comes.
Set your body ablaze, your body ablaze. Me and you, baby, set your body ablaze. Set your body ablaze, your body ablaze. Me and you, baby, set your body ablaze.
Baby, won't you light my fire?
Bang, bang, bang.
Can you take me higher?
Come back with
When you
dirty.
rub it on me,
Bang, bang, bang.
it really spark my flame.
I gotcha.
Baby, won't you light my fire?
I mean, say, baby, me say, don't worry your brain. Don't you fret, just listen, I'm saying. Serious, be serious, so looking at my face. I'm trying to take you back to my place. Slow one, baby, just stick to my pace. Rock steady, girl, to the rhythm and bass. Come, baby, girl, we have no time for wait. Don't want run you down, don't want change.
Baby, won't you light my fire?
Bang, bang, bang.
Can you take me higher?
Get them love, love.
When you rub it on me, it really spark my flame.
You see?
Baby,
Come in,
won't
sexy
you
Shenseea.
light my fire?
Ah.
Be a long time a day, come give me what me desire. Beat it with the wire, make me sing out like a choir. Come here, Sean, come give me little light, spark it up. Cause me need little fire in me life. What's a long time, me no get to see you. Panty wetter than the water way in the Rio. Take me high up like a me and me Jesus. Come one, then two, then three. Baby, won't you light my fire?
Never turn it up fire.
Can you take me higher?
Later.
When you rub it on me, it really spark my flame. Baby, won't you light my fire?
Bang, 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 bang. Let me tell you what a piece of hotness. When the fire touch skin, when the neighbor get vexed and get up and knocking, when bedboard it knocking and girl back it cracking. Steadily putting it on and we keep it tracking. A baby girl knowing that nothing ain't lacking. Brand spanking, new machine keep going. Listen to me DJ, listen to me sing. Sound apart from the hot girl I keep talking. Them no good love girl, yo. Them no good love girl. Them no good love girl, yo. Them no good love girl.
Baby, won't you light my fire?
Bang, bang, bang.
Can you take me higher?
Wanna give them the brass.
When you rub it on me, it really spark my flame.
You know when you give them the shot.
Baby, won't you light my fire?
Rubber, rubber,
Won't
dub,
you
girl.
light my fire
Rubber,
now?
rubber, rubber, dub,
Won't you
girl.
light my fire?
Rubber, rubber, dub,
Won't
girl.
you light my fire
Don't
now?
rock, rubber, dub, girl. Yo, when the bedboard knocking and the neighbors knocking and they keep on cracking.
What a tune. Full of vibes. It's a vibes tune. And like I said, I heard it on his album Scorcher last year. And I'm telling you, it was one of the songs that I knew that was going to blow up. Because just the vibes of it, the energy in it. The way Gwen Stefani come in and give our punchline. I was just like, man, this song is well put together. I'm even like Shenseea, a little verse where, you know, she come in and do her something and cut, you know what I mean? Yeah, be a long time a day, but no desire, it's like a wire, like a, you know what I'm saying? And Sean Paul just doing what Sean Paul do. I give you nothing but beer lyrics. Sean Paul full of lyrics, man, I tell you, man. So, no gimmicks. So, we're going to keep the ball rolling to prevent you from scrolling. That was Gwen Stefani, Sean Paul, Shenseea. And I'm telling you, I love that tune. Shoulder rocking, body rocking, non-stopping, around the clocking. Yeah, there we go. So, next up, we have some more tune to to fill the people with. You understand what I'm saying? So we're gonna keep it moving. Keep it locked to Solid Rock. Like, positively comment, and subscribe to the vibe. Alright? Baby, a long time a day, I want you to treat me like a hey. Yeah. Won't you light my fire? Ease.